I'm Yashvi Punya and you are watching Car Lelo. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the all-new 4th generation 2025 BMW X3 20D M Sport, codename G45. But has it evolved enough to justify its price tag? Let's find out. This is BMW's diesel M Sport variant, the X-Drive 20D, which will cost you 77.80 lakhs ex-showroom. There's also a petrol variant, which will cost you 75.80 lakhs ex-showroom. Both get BMW's new 48-volt mild hybrid system, and trust me, this little upgrade makes a big difference. Better efficiency, smoother performance, and that electric assist when you least expect it. This is the BMW key, button to lock, to unlock, to open the boot, and to flash your car and beep in the parking lot. But if you're like me and you don't like carrying stuff, just use your phone. With BMW's Digital Key Plus, your smartphone is your key. Lock, unlock, and share access with your friends all through My BMW app. Competition? It's fierce. This one goes up against Mercedes-Benz GLC, Audi Q5, Lexus NX, and even the Range Rover Velar in terms of feel-good factor. And trust me, this one has come prepped to fight. Now let's talk about the face. BMW's given this the iconic glow kidney grille and it lights up at night. Flanked by adaptive LED headlamps with cornering lights, these aren't just fancy, they are actually super helpful when driving on twisty mountain roads at night. It's 47mm longer than before, so the proportions are more mature, more elegant. The length is 4.8 meters, width is 1.9 meters, and it sits 1.6 meters tall. You get 19-inch Y-spoke M-Light alloy wheels and 245/50 R19 tires. Not too blingy, not too subtle, just right. The M Sport trim gives it side skirts, roof rails, and a slightly aggressive stance. The rear is all new. These double L-shaped LED taillights are wide, sharp, and scream sophistication. You get a rear spoiler, high-mounted stop lamp, and a clean diffuser design. And of course, it's practical. You get 570 liters of boot space, and when you fold the second row, you get 1700 liters of boot space. So your weekend trips are sorted here. Now this is where the magic happens. Step inside and you're greeted with a stunning curved display. The entire cabin wraps around you with soft touch materials, and check out the crystal effect ambient lighting. It flows beautifully across the dash and doors and even changes color with the drive modes to match your mood and driving style. This is BMW's jewelry box. It houses 2 cup holders, a wireless charger, 2 USB-C ports, and proudly shows off the M badge with all ambient lighting to give it that luxe feel. The dashboard has a clean, sloped design and is wrapped in recycled polyester net. It gives a fresh and premium feel, but in dusty areas, it might not be the most durable. These sports seats are ventilated, contoured, and come with lumbar support. You can get them in 2 finishes, Viganza perforated espresso brown or this calm beige. BMW calls it vegan leather, but honestly it is better than some real leather cabins I have been in. Look up. Largest panoramic glass roof in the segment, floods the cabin with natural light and genuinely makes this feel like a class above. You get ample amount of headspace here, you have good amount of leg room here, come with their own sun blinds, AC vents, and part of the 3-zone climate control to keep everyone comfy. The BMW operating system 9 is crisp and fast. You do get augmented view navigation which overlays directions on live camera feed. Park Assistant Plus with 360-degree camera and reversing memory. Driving Assistant Plus includes adaptive cruise, lane control, and front collision warning. And of course, the full ADAS camera stack is right there. Sound, you are listening to 15 speakers tuned by Harman Kardon, pushing out 750 watts of crystal clear audio. Talking about safety, you get 8 airbags, ADAS, 360-degree camera, ABS, auto hold, dynamic traction control, and a bunch of digital safety nets that you hopefully never need. But it's good to know they are there. You can extend warranty to 10 years, and yes, it's got everything from tire pressure monitors to electronically controlled differential brakes that keep things neat around corners. This is where the new X3 surprises you. Under the hood, you get a 2-liter diesel engine, 197 HP and 400 Nm of torque. It does 0 to 100 in 7.7 seconds, but forget the numbers. What matters is how it feels. This 48-volt mild hybrid kicks in seamlessly, especially in traffic or slow overtakes. Talking about steering, it feels light in standard mode and properly weighted in sports mode. Ride quality, adaptive suspension adjusts based on road conditions, so potholes are swallowed and highways feel like runways. Thanks to the all-wheel drive system, the grip is solid even during monsoons. You are always in control. It's not trying to be a sports car, but it's a very confident executive SUV that adapts to you. So what do I think? The 2025 BMW X3 is just no longer a 5-seater premium SUV. It's a proper statement now. You have got the drive, the tech, the comfort and the badge, and a car that feels more expensive than it is. If you want to flex the badge, there are flashier options, but if you want the everyday luxury of driving your SUV, this might just be the one. This is Yashvi Punya and I'm signing off for the day. For more such car reviews, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Car Le Lo.